Halina, Daddy!
Again, mag-countdown tayo from 10 count to 1. Then after that, hawakan nyo yung ano. Okay, Mommy and Daddy, are you excited? Oh my gosh! Excited na din kami! Okay, let's start the countdown! 1, 2, 3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Oh, ikaw! Sa taas! Sa taas! Sa taas! Sa taas! Again! One more! 1, 2, 3! Balikan taas! Balikan taas! Ayan, excited ng lahat. Again, let's move. 3, 2, 1! It's a boy! Congratulations, Mama and Daddy! You're having a baby boy! Yay! Yay! Congratulations to Team Boy!
Naalala ko sa ibang papa.
Congratulations!
It's a boy.
It's a single.
It's a boy!
Single, not couple.
It's a single baby boy. Nga ang sayang.
Kaya kong gulitan.
Ay, una pala yung F4.
Anong masasabi?
Wala yung Elsa.
Oh, FJ lang! Tatay ka ng balay sa boy. Picture ta! Chor. Yan na ang... Ay.
Kaya lang kung